This is a brand new 2012 Kia Sportage. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, commercial-free satellite radio, 18-inch alloy wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a rear window defroster, a leather-wrapped shift knob, front and rear floor mats, fog lamps, an anti-lock braking system, latch-ready child seat anchors, a push-button ignition, and a rear spoiler. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Fisher Auto is located at 6025 Arapahoe Drive in Boulder. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.